Yes, I'm still alive. Welcome back. Let's get to work. You're going to be able to look through it just barely, so I want to make sure that it's nice in there, that the welds are cleaned up. Most people are never going to look in there, but I do. I want it to look nice. Alright, well, now that the inside here is clean, I'm gonna go ahead and put this finish, which is called gunmetal blue, and it'll react with the steel and make it kind of actually pretty black, and that's what I want inside. I want it to be dark. You'll still be able to see inside the guitar, so I want it to be black, and I don't want to use spray paint because I still have to weld up here, and the spray paint will start burning up and it'll just be a mess. If you're wondering what this is me getting drunk and firing up the plasma cutter at 3 a.m. when my wife is away. So don't drink in plasma. Well, not exactly gunmetal blue, but it does make it seem very, very old, and I really like that. You have to dry it really well, otherwise it'll start rusting, kind of like in there. But I kind of like it. I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay guys, well this is the input jack that I want to use. But it's, let's see, it's gonna go here, but I need a little bit, this only goes down to about 1/4 of an inch, and this here is about 1/16, so I'm gonna add a little space here in order for this to make sense, and also to allow me to tighten it with access to the control plate, because otherwise it would be way in there for me to turn this nut. It's the exact same angle. Alright guys, well we are ready to cover the back, so this is the last time I will have access to the back here forever. Alright, I got the body clamped down because I don't want it to distort, you know, because of the heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and weld this. Oh, and I have my ground right here, just so that I can move it around without having the ground cable. So just gonna go ahead and weld this very carefully and just small spots at a time. Probably gonna take a few hours. Yeah, well, I'm laying it out pretty thick in there. Just want to make sure I have enough material so I can have a nice round corner. Alright, well, I got this whole thing. I got a nice corner everywhere. Very sharp corner. Now I'm just gonna start grinding it down, making it nice and smooth. And that'll probably take a while. Oh, hey, that's a lot. I don't know, 100 or so hours. I'm out of natural light here, which kind of sucks because, like, the thing is, with natural light is when you can really tell how you doing here, you know. But it's starting to feel pretty good. Shit's getting real. I'm gonna take some 80 grit and knock down because with the grinder the corners are sort of stepped, so some 80 grit by hand will take care of that, make a really nice corner. Focus. Alright, well, I got these edges pretty nice. I may have to come back later and sort of touch them up a little bit. But I'm going to start using a brush, and this one's pretty hard brush, this will remove a lot of these nicks and stuff that the grinder left, and it'll sort of create a grain, and I'm just gonna do it in one direction. Here's a much finer brush, and that's gonna start bringing this thing to life. Okay guys, well, it's coming out pretty good. I really like the back of it. I like this whole deal, even though I was drunk. Now I have a problem with the pick guard. I just think that having this rhombus shape here and then these circular shapes over here, it sort of clashes, you know. So this thing's been sitting in the corner for a couple of months, and I've been kind of not really able to move forward, you know, just because I'm not 100%. So I bought these new ear muffs, and man, they really bring the noise down. For myself, my neighbors can still hear it at the same volume. There it is. Pretty good fit. I will be filling this in, and these guys here, and I think this too as well, just to give it a little bit more, I don't know, stuff. See, I came back and filled in all those little pits, so now I gotta go back and grind them off. That's the name of the game. You weld and then you grind. There she is. A lot better flow to it, you know. And the back is awesome. I really like that. Sweet. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys.